Welcome to this course about developing Java applications using databases. Databases power modern applications from banking systems to social media platforms. As a Java developer, understanding how to interact with databases efficiently is a critical skill. This course will equip you with the knowledge and hands-on experience to integrate Java applications with databases. Throughout this course, you'll gain practical experience working with SQL databases, JDBC, JPA, Hibernate, and NoSQL. You'll start with the fundamentals of relational databases and SQL. Learn how to connect to databases using JDBC, and explore advanced topics such as Spring Boot, JPA, and Hibernate for efficient data management. Later in the course, you'll be introduced to NoSQL databases, such as MongoDB, InfluxDB, and Neo4j. By the end of this course, you'll have the expertise to develop Java applications that interact with different types of databases, optimize data access, and ensure scalability. This short course has 4 modules, each taking approximately 3 to 4 hours to complete. We encourage you to set aside time to complete all the modules. To get the most benefit from this course, watch all the videos and review the readings. Then, reinforce your learning by completing all the hands-on activities such as the labs, the practice, and graded quizzes, and the final project. We also encourage you to participate in the course discussion forums to connect with others taking the course or to get help from the course staff. This short course is designed for learners with little or no knowledge of databases and who want to understand the different types of databases and work with these databases using Java. To take this course, learners should have existing knowledge of software engineering and Java development fundamentals, and experience using the Git and GitHub environments. Learners should also have a good working knowledge of the Spring framework. The first module is Fundamentals of Databases and JDBC. In this module, you will be introduced to the fundamental concepts of relational databases and introduced to their integration with Java using Java Database Connectivity, or JDBC. It covers database design basics, setting up connections, and performing CRUD operations programmatically. The next module is Spring Boot for database applications. This module helps learners to develop database applications using Spring Boot. It explores the use of Spring Boot to simplify database-driven application development. It also covers how to configure Spring Boot with databases, use Spring Data JPA for CRUD operations, and expose database functionality through RESTful APIs. The module encourages active participation through practical exercises. The next module is Hibernate and other databases. In this module, learners will get an in-depth understanding of Hibernate as an ORM framework. It also explains its role in handling complex database interactions. Learners will explore advanced entity relationships, caching, and query optimization. It also walks you through other modern data storage solutions, such as NoSQL, Graph, and time series databases. The last module is Final Project and Course Wrap-Up. In this module, you will complete a project where you will act as a back-end developer working for a large warehouse distribution company that supports multiple retail stores. You will be tasked with building the back-end using Java, Spring Boot, and Hibernate. These will be backed by a MySQL database and a NoSQL database on MongoDB. The software will be developed specifically with administrative users in mind, who are responsible for tasks such as creating and maintaining store records, managing the entire product catalog, monitoring store-wide inventory levels, placing customer orders via the internal system, and running back-end SQL procedures to analyze sales and inventory data. Lastly, you will take a final exam. So, there is a lot to cover here. We are thrilled that you will join us on this learning journey. Let's get started. Good luck!